first. Ice me out. Ice me out. Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be filming a very short, sweet, to the point video. It's very easy. It's how to apply strip lashes. These lashes are from a girl down here. I know her name is Coco, so shout out to her for the lashes, but you can use any lashes because I know these lashes might be very dramatic for a lot of people. I know y'all gonna probably say a lot of stuff in the comments, but this is my personal preference on how I like my lashes.
So leave your stupid comments in your pocket.
But again, these lashes are very wispy, beautiful, lightweight, and it has a real dramatic effect. So yeah, enough of me talking. Let's just get straight to the video. Okay, so these are the things you'll need. First, you'll need any eyelash glue. This one is just by the Baron Duo. And if I don't use eyelash glue, I also like to use hair glue. Keep your negative comments. I don't have time. So you can use either or. Doesn't matter. And the lashes I'm going to be using today are from Coco Celeste. She's in my hometown and in the style Sunflower. So then you're going to take your lash out of the packaging, and I just like to put it on my eye before I put the glue on just to see if I need to clip anything, and I did. It was too long for me, so I just clipped it. And then I take a small generous amount of the glue and I just apply it on there. Just make sure that you apply enough but not too much. So then after you have it applied, you just want to let it dry for about 30 seconds just to get a little tacky. You don't want to apply it wet. Okay, when you're doing this part, you can use tweezers. I don't because I do it so much. I can just do it without tweezers, but I recommend you use tweezers if you're a beginner. But when you're putting it on, you want to kind of just stick it towards the middle first. Try to put the lash on from the middle first, and then you work your way up from the back to the front, or you can do front to back, whichever way works best for you. But I personally do it from the middle, then the back, then I fix the front. Now you're just doing the same exact thing you did to the lash, the same exact way, same amount of product. Let it dry a little second just to get it tacky, and then you start applying it. I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Okay, so yeah, this is how I achieved this look. Very wispy. Alright, but yeah, thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate it. My last video just hit 11K, so if you want to see how I did these eyebrows, I'm gonna put the link in my bio. I'm also going to have her name right here, so make sure y'all go check her out. I'm not sure if she does any shipping, but I'm positive that she does local delivery. But I'm pretty sure after I drop this video, she should start doing shipping. So order your lashes. If anybody have anything they want me to promote, hit your girl up, because you know we gotta support each other. We all gotta eat. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, all 3. And if you already subscribed, notification game. Also, if you have any video suggestions, please let me know. I really appreciate video suggestions. Like, I wasn't gonna do this.
Let your girl know.
Skincare routine coming next, y'all. Keep up, be on the lookout. Also, go support me and my business. And that's all I got for this video. And bye. Boom. Bam. Bye.